This is an Audi A4 with a 3.2 V6 engine. The problem that it's having is the following noise. That noise is coming from the rear area of the engine, located right here. That's where the timing chain is located on this Audi engine. Audi uses the same distribution for all the engines, doesn't matter if it's V6, V8 or straight 4. Usually use the same kind of timing chain guides and everything on the back of the engine. So the problem is that one of the guides of the timing chain is getting bad because either it is broken or one of the tensioners is getting bad. What happens is when the tensioners they leak oil because they're filled with oil. They're kind of lifter type, so they need to get oil, and when they get oil filled with oil, they retain the pressure so that the chain doesn't get loose, and that keeps the chain on place. So when the tensioner is getting bad, it leaks the oil, and then the timing chain gets loose, and then is when this noise happens. For these Audi's engines to replace the timing chain or to do any job to the distribution of the engine, you have to remove the entire engine. There is no other way. The engine has to come out with the transmission and everything to fix it because it is on the rear area. To get access to that, you have to remove the transmission. And this affects many different Audi's engines. It doesn't matter the year, it doesn't matter the model. Pretty much all Audis have already a V6 3.2 or a V8 4.2, or the newer ones for the S4 you have the 3.0s and engines like that. So they all have pretty much the same setup with the rear distribution on the back, and this causes this kind of noises, as I'll show you at the beginning of the video. So now you know if your Audi is making this noise, it's because of the timing change. And that is not an easy fix, that's a really expensive fix because there is no way the timing chain can be replaced just like that, as I told you. That's the reason why the other engines with the front distribution, with the timing chain in the front, is easy because you can do it inside the engine. But most of the manufacturers now are getting the same way as Audi with this distribution on the back. That's all we're gonna talk about today. If you have any questions about this video, you can use the comment section below, or you can email us at the email in the description below. I always give thumbs up to the video, and let us know what you think about our videos. We try our best to make the best videos possible for all of you guys. So thank you for watching.